Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This is now the 3rd day in a row I've done this one, and overall a good solid day. Obviously nothing like a couple days ago when this price absolutely skyrocketed, but still good move from especially the big picture perspective. And as I noted in yesterday's video, there is a lot of perspective that still goes into this. I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 15 seconds after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's still looking pretty rough. But for those of you that care about the grand scheme of things, the big picture, good solid day for the bulls. And not necessarily because the price went up. I mean, sure, don't get me wrong, that definitely contributes to the nice day factor. But the kind of the overarching factor that occurred was the price staying, and some of you probably know where I'm going with this if you watched the past video, but the price continues to remain up above that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move its way in the upwards direction. As I've said in the past videos and continue to say, assuming you care about the big picture perspective, then as long as the price stays above that purple line as it moves upwards, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. And again, sure, it's great that the price moved up today, but in my opinion, the more healthy attribute that occurred was the price is still, staying up above the purple line and keep a nice separation. I mean, it's not even like it's close to the purple line right now. So that's a nice little sign of strength there on the day. What about areas of resistance? Let's map out a couple of these. First level of resistance is just that really short-term one where the price bumped its head on it a couple of times this afternoon at 0.031. So 0.031 initial area of resistance, and the next key overall level right up there at, what is that? 0.035. So 0.031, 0.035, the two key hurdles going into next week. But all in all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are in full control and full charge. So we'll see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.